Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to change YouTube name on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Let's get started. The first way, you need to go to the YouTube app. In the upper right corner, next we click on your profile or right here at the bottom, click on it. Here I click on Video, Analytics, click on this pencil. Then there's a name, click here. And in order to change something, we erase it. And let's say we write some letters or we put some numbers. And then we click Save. That was the first way. The second way, go to the YouTube Creative Studio. Also open this channel. In the upper right corner, click on the pencil. Here click Name and also Delete. Write some numbers and click Save. If you liked this video and it helped you and you were able to change your YouTube name, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.